Hi, I am Lorraine from Gracious Mountain Therapies, and welcome back to Echoes from the Mountain, Mindful Tuesday, where we learn simple mindfulness techniques and practices that we can use in our everyday lives to create resilience and bring awareness and intention to our day. We continue our nature-inspired week with our Mindful Tuesday Walk in Nature. Today, we're not just going for a stroll, we are learning how to walk mindfully. This practice can have profound effects on our well-being and is something I often recommend to my clients when they come to therapy, especially with stress, burnout, and depression. So let's explore what it means and why it's worth incorporating into our lives. So what, you might say, is mindful walking? Simply put, it is the act of walking whilst paying full attention to the present moment. It is about engaging our senses, noticing our thoughts and feelings, and connecting with the world around us. Now, why is this so beneficial, you might ask? Walking is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a moving meditation, a chance to connect with our bodies and the world around us. Physically, walking strengthens our heart, improves circulation, and boosts our energy levels. It can even help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. It is a gentle form of exercise that gets our blood flowing and strengthens our bodies. But the benefits extend far beyond the physical. Walking has a profound impact on our mental well-being. It reduces stress, clears our minds, and boosts creativity. Many people find that their best ideas come to them while they're on a walk. It is as if the rhythmic movement of our bodies helps unlock new pathways in our brains. And of course, walking in nature adds another layer of benefits. The sights, sounds, and smells of the natural world have a calming effect on our nervous system. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and improve our moods. So let's put this into practice. As we start walking, let's first tune in to our bodies. Notice the sensation of your feet making contact with the ground. Feel the muscles in your legs engaging and releasing with each step. Pay attention to your posture, holding yourself tall and relaxed. Be aware of the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. Now let's expand our awareness to the sounds around us. Can you hear the crunch of leaves or gravel beneath our feet? The rustling of leaves in the trees? The chirping of birds or perhaps the distant sound of traffic. Simply notice these sounds without judgment, allowing them to wash over you. By focusing on our senses, we anchor ourselves in the present moment and quiet the chatter of our minds. Next, let's bring our attention to the smells in the air. Just stop. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in through your nostrils. What can you smell? Perhaps there's the scent of pine needles, damp earth, or wild flowers. Maybe you can smell the fresh air, or even the faint aroma of someone's barbecue nearby. Take it all in. Now, open your eyes and focus on what you can see. Notice the colours and textures of the leaves, the patterns of light and shadow on the path, the clouds drifting across the sky. Is there anything you see now that you didn't see before? If you like, reach out and touch a leaf, a tree trunk, or a rock. Feel the rough bark, the smooth stone, the delicate veins of a leaf. Connect with the tactile sensations of nature. As we continue our walk, let's also pay attention to our thoughts and feelings. If your mind wanders, which is perfectly normal, gently guide it back to the present moment. Notice any emotions that arise, but try not to get caught up in them. Simply acknowledge them and then let them go. Let's take a few more mindful steps together, appreciating this moment, this connection with nature. As we near the end of our walk, take a moment to reflect on the experience. What did you notice? How do you feel now compared to when we started? Remember, mindfulness is a skill we can cultivate with practice. The more we walk mindfully, the more we will experience its many benefits. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you return to your daily life. Thank you for joining me on this mindful walk. I hope you've gained a deeper understanding of what it means to walk mindfully and how it can enrich your life. Remember, you can practice this anytime, anywhere. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. There will be easy days and challenging days. Be patient and kind with yourself. As we close, extend that same kindness outward to those around you and to the wider world. I am Lorraine from Gracious Mountain Therapies, and you have been listening to Echoes from the Mountain, Mindful Tuesday. If you know someone who would enjoy the Echoes from the Mountain podcast and YouTube channel, then please share the links or look us up on social media channels such as Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube. Thank you for listening. Take care, and remember, you are not alone on this journey of discovery. We are all finding our way.